Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Probably something a lot of people don't know, and I didn't really know it till I started playing around with it. That you can, if you look, it looks like I have green and yellow and blue and red in a blend. So we're going to blend this triangle, but I need to start with a six-sided polygon and hit P. And then I'm going to make it a three-sided. Now I'm going to make it a little bit thicker line just to give it, and I'm going to make it red. Whoop, I left click. I need to right click the outline. Now I'm going to take another, you can't just change that or make it smaller. You have to start with a smaller polygon and hit P because we want it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to make that a three-sided, and I am going to grab it and I'm going to make it yellow. And I'm also going to make it like 4 points. Now I need to round off the corners, so I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and I'm going to round it off, let's say 0.75. And then I'm going to take this one, I don't want it quite as round, so I'm going to go like 0.45. And I'm going to make it, well, it looks like it's already, oh, there it is. Now I'm going to select both these, and I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and I'm going to up the blend a couple more times than I did the first one. Whoa, going downhill. I need to go, let's just type in 25. Hit apply. Now, if you will take your center one and rotate it, you'll get a different shape. But if you will select it all and go right here to clockwise blend, that must have been what it did, but we're going to go counterclockwise. Well, clockwise and hit apply. Look at that. It changed the colors of the blend from just by blending in a different direction. Let's go back to a normal blend. Look at that. You kind of blended it more evenly. Let's go with this. See, it didn't change anything, but if we go here, we get those multiple colors. And there's probably a couple other ways you could do this, but probably not in that realm, but we could still rotate this guy a little bit more. You don't want to rotate it too much because you don't want these overlapping lines, but a little bit's good. And if I would have started off with actually a little bit thicker lines, it maybe would even look a little bit better. But that's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.